Yo, Quinta, here's some fun. I wrote a hip hop song about you.
Yeah,
Yo.
yo, it's Quinta Wines 2023. Social media queen, can't you see? Digital marketing, content's my game. Building brands, making them all the same. From likes to followers, subscribers too. We construct and promote, that's what we do. Managing accounts, making them shine. In the digital world, it's my time to climb. Quinta Wines, she's the name. In the social media game, she reigns. Digital queen, influencer star, taking brands and dreams so far. From Instagram to TikTok, we got it all. Creating ads that make you stand tall. Content's king, but I'm the queen. In the world of likes, I'm the unseen. Promoting platforms, making them grow. With every post, watch the numbers flow. Influencer magic, that's my style. Turning trends into gold, mile by mile. Quinta Wines, she's the name. In the social media game, she reigns. Digital queen, influencer star, taking brands and dreams so far. From dawn to dusk, we're on the grind, creating content that's one of a kind. With every click, with every share, Quinta Wines, she's everywhere. Quinta Wines, she's the name. In the social media game, she reigns. Digital queen, influencer star, taking brands and dreams so far. Hope you like it.
If you need any tweaks or more verses, just let me know. Yo. Hope you like it. If you need any tweaks or more verses, just let me know.
If you are interested in following our train, you are highly welcome. We deliver door to door in Nigeria when the goods arrive. So my people, now wait I tell now they say fridge, television, plate, glasses, cup, second-hand glasses and cup, not new ones. So but if you have anything you want to send to Nigeria, whether in France or in Holland, because we ship from Holland direct to Lagos, so you are highly welcome. If you want to DM me, if you want to do business, we sell Ukrika, we sell shoes, everything you see on my video, we sell it. It's not fake. You saw how I was bringing container down, so we offload or container, we sell bicycles, we sell laptops, but for now naira is not good, so we don't sell some of the things. We carry goods for people. We sell wine, whiskey. So guys, this is Quinta Wine, the whining girl. Hey baby girl, too much. Local. So teach your children how to do this house choice, so that tomorrow or today inside the same house they will be doing it. And sometimes why I'm doing it like this, it's not that my child is not doing it. He has already aspirate, then it's me that is